Just take a look at these AI-generated nature reels. And you are probably wondering now,
What's so special about the reels I've just watched?
that's a good question. Let's start with the obvious one. If we take a closer look at the reels, you'll notice that each and every one has over 100,000 views, with some even peaking at 30 million views. Now, do you know why these reels are so special? It's because this creator has gained over 400,000 followers in just a few months. And trust me, he's making thousands of dollars with them. Now, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can recreate these reels, which will eventually lead you to get similar results as the creator I just showed you. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I will also reveal how he is making money with these reels and how you can do the same. Let's start off by generating the images. To do that, we will use Leonardo AI. Now I will show you how to generate two types of images. The first is the anime reels image, which works great for Instagram, and the second will be a similar image with a twist, which works great for YouTube. Once you've created an account, open the image generation tool. As you can see, Leonardo AI provides 150 free credits daily, which is more than enough for our videos. Let's start by adjusting the settings for our Instagram image. Open the preset menu, and for our first image type, we will use the anime preset. Now, in the image dimensions menu, click on More, and select the 9:16 ratio, since that's the one that we'll use for our reels. Now our settings are set, so let's import the prompt. Once the prompt is imported, just click Generate and our images will be created. While the images are loading, I wanted to let you know that all of the prompts I'm using will be in the description below. But also, don't forget to like the video because it doesn't cost you anything, but it means the world to me. And boom, our images are ready. As you can see, the prompt we used provides high-quality images that are perfect for our needs. But if you don't like how your images turn out, just click the Generate button again, and 4 new images will be produced for you. Out of all the images we reviewed, I love this one the most, so I'm gonna download it. Now let's generate images for our YouTube shorts. As you can see, this creator went viral just by adding a snake on top of the bus, which made the short controversial. Now, to do this, you need to change the preset to concept art. Next, I will add the prompt, which is customized, and I will tell you once again, you will find it in the description below. Let's see how our images turn out. As you can see, the images are perfect, but just for demonstration purposes, I will generate new images once again. Okay, now we're talking. The image on the right side will for sure go viral, so I'll download that one. Okay, now let's bring our images to life. For that, we'll use Hyper AI. As you can see, this tool gives us 300 free credits daily, so we can completely use it for free. Now, to make a video out of our image, click on the Image to Video tool. Click on First Frame Image, and let's upload the Reels image first. Once the image is uploaded, click Generate, and the process will start. Now, the video is being generated, and this process usually lasts around 5 minutes. And boom, let's see how it looks like. Trust me, this video is just perfect for social media, and of course making money, which I will show you how to do in just a minute. Now let's do the same for our second image. Simply click on the tool below, remove the old image, add the new one, and click Generate. Let's see how this one came out. Nice! Now once both of our videos are ready, I will show you how to make them look even better. To do that, we'll use CapCut. Now what you're going to do is import the videos into CapCut. We're going to start with the Instagram video, so let's drag it down into the editing bar. As you can see, our video has a watermark. To remove it, simply scale the video by dragging the white dot on the side until the watermark is no longer visible. And boom! As easy as that, now it's gone. Now, to make it look nicer, we will add an adjustment to it. Simply click on the adjustment menu at the top and drag the adjustment tool into the editing bar. For the adjustment, just follow what I'm doing. Set the contrast to 10, highlight to 10, whites to 5, sharpen to 10, tint set it to -100, saturation to +100, and lightness to -100. And just look at the difference. It's crazy how a small adjustment can change the quality of the video. Now let me show you how you can make the video longer. To do that, first you need to click on the general video and make a copy clicking Ctrl+C. Now paste it clicking Ctrl+V. Now, we need to blend in the video we just added. To do that, just click on it and hit the reverse button. I'm gonna do the same 2 more times, so by the end, I'll have a longer video. Just watch what I'm doing here. I'm gonna make 2 more copies and paste them into the editing bar. I'll leave the third copy just like the original, and for the fourth one, I'm gonna reverse it. Basically, every second copy needs to be reversed, so it all goes in a loop. Once you're done, make sure to drag the adjustment line all the way to the end so that all the copies have the same color adjustment. Now, let's add a little touch to the video to make it more alive. We'll do that by adding an effect. Open the effects menu on the top, and for our video, we will use the nature effects. The sun effect will match our video perfectly, so just drag it down into the editing bar and extend it to the end of the video. And just look how better it is. Everything is banging, but we are missing the music, so let's add it. To add the music, we'll open the audio menu at the top. We need something calm, so I'll just search for calm. And for example, this one. Now, do the same as before. Just click on it and drag it into the editing bar. Go to the end of the video and crop the sound. After that, just delete the rest of it. To make it sound nicer, I'll add a 1-second fade out to it. And since it's a bit loud, I'll lower the volume by about -7. And let's take a look at the end result. This video is a banger. Now let me show you how to edit the YouTube short we've created. To start off, we need to select everything and then delete it. Once you're done, drag the YouTube short video into the editing bar. We'll do the same as before, starting with scaling the video to remove the watermark. After that, we'll make it longer by creating copies. I'll make 4 copies of the video, with every second copy reversed so it all blends in. After that, we'll add the same color adjustment to it. I'll do this quickly, but I'll use the same settings so you can copy them just like before. Now for this video, we need to add a different style of music. So just open the audio library and search for dark. This one sounds interesting. We'll do the same as before, so just drag the sound down into the editing bar. Don't forget to add a fade out to it and lower the volume if needed. Let's see how the end result looks like. As you can see, our videos are even better than the original ones. Now we need to export them, and this part is easy. Click on the export button, choose 1080p, 60 FPS, and then click export. And with that, we've created 2 videos that are sure to go viral. The final step? Let's get these videos uploaded and start making thousands of dollars. I'm gonna break down how you can do that. Trust me, you don't wanna miss this. Let's start with Instagram Reels. Take a look at this creator right here. He's using Instagram to promote his product, but he's not making money directly from Instagram. Can you guess how he's making money? Well, if you look closely, he's got a link attached to his profile. Let's click on it and see what we find. Now it should make sense. He's running a shop where he sells the images he uses for his videos as wallpapers. And the best part? The site he's using is totally free. It's called Buy Me a Coffee. This guy has made 1,800 sales, and the minimum price for one image is $3. So you do the math. It's smart, right? He's turning the images he already generated for his videos into money with no extra work. And guess what? You can do the same. Just create a profile on the site, upload your images, and then drive traffic from your Instagram profile to your website. And boom, easy cash. And to take it to the next level, he's even created his own course, teaching people how to make these same images and videos for a fee. But here, I'm showing you how to do it for free. As for YouTube Shorts, check out this creator right here. He's posting the same videos and has gained millions of views. You can do the exact same thing. By posting your videos, you can start earning money through YouTube monetization, which pays anywhere from $10 to $50 per 1,000 views. But that's not all. Just like this creator, you can see he has links on his YouTube channel driving traffic and making even more money that way. You can simply add a link from your Buy Me a Coffee page, and as easy as that, your YouTube audience will click on the link. After that, the potential is endless. And that's it. You're now set to make your first money online. Just follow the steps I showed you in this video, and you'll be seeing results before you know it. Trust me, this works. Now it's your turn.